This video I'd like to show you guys how to draw both the side and the stop block. They're both going to be rectangles, so they're going to be really easy to do. Just 4 lines, 2 dimensions apiece, and you're set with 2 parts. So, to begin with, just like before, we're going to select part, select the icon for Start 2D Sketch, and then we're going to click on the XY plane again. This part should look really familiar. We're going to select line, start here at our center point, and just draw a rectangle. Okay, from this point, I'm going to add my dimensions. And like I said before, don't necessarily use the same dimensions that I am. The parts that I had measured were from a different gumball machine, a different variation of it. So they might be slightly different than yours. Make sure that you use the dimensions that you measured when you were out in the lab, okay? Once I have my dimensions in, I hit Finish Sketch. I like to turn this so I can see it, and then I'm going to go to Extrude. Click Extrude. I send it back so I have my good face out, and change this to 3/4. Hit OK. And now this is the side. My next step is going to be to File, okay, and then Save. And then here I'm going to label this as side. It's going to ask me if I want to replace this because I already have this file. I'm just going to say yes, okay? You won't have that many that pops up, but I did. Alright, so there is my side. The next thing I'm going to do is create another drawing for that stop block. And the stop block is going to go inside. You guys haven't even seen that yet, other than when you measured the piece out in the shop. That's going to make sure that the gumball doesn't fall down inside of the machine. So it's an important piece just when you haven't seen in the gumball machine yet. So you can either go to this icon right here, okay, see how it says new, or you can go to File and go to the same thing. Either way, it's going to do the same thing for us. Click on one of those two, and then you're going to make sure that you go to the standard.ipt file, okay? This is the same file that we've been creating, so you want to make sure that that's selected. Not one of these other things is highlighted. Alright, and then you're going to hit Create. Back to our gray screen. We're going to start the 2D sketch again. And again, we're going to select the XY plane. I'm going to go to the Line tool. Again, we'll draw a rectangle. Alright, and now I'm going to dimension this. Now these dimensions should be the same as what I'm putting in, so it should be 2.5 by 1.5. Alright, finish my sketch, extrude. Again, same dimensions as before, 3/4 of an inch thick. Hit OK. Now this is my piece, and again, I need to save this. Label it stop blocks, I know what it is. And then hit save. We got 2 more pieces done for the gumball machine.